Welcome to the Weapons Detection Systems procedures where we are keeping Panthers safe. We will begin with how to enter the building from door number 3. When you arrive at school in the morning, you will begin forming a line in front of the cones. You will then walk up the ramp in front of the trailers. These directions are for everyone even if your class is in the trailers. All students will walk in the same direction. Students with classes in the trailer will enter door 3 and then will follow a path out of door 2 out to the trailers. Once you come down the ramp, you will be directed to the table so that you can remove your laptop from your book bag. Next, you hand your laptop to the adult on duty before walking through the metal detector. So let's begin. We have some Panthers demonstrating how to safely enter the building with the new weapons detector system in place. It is important to follow all steps so that we can get you to class on time. After exiting the bus, please line up by the cones ready to begin. Follow the line up and down the ramp. Do not enter the trailers from here, as you will use door 2 to access the trailers. Next, prepare to remove your laptop from your book bag. You can even begin this step while waiting on the bus. Once your laptop has been removed, please place your book bag in front of your body and then carry your laptop. You will then hand over your laptop to the adult on duty before going through the weapons detector. If there isn't a beep, then you are cleared to head directly to class. If you receive a beep when going through the weapons detector, do not panic. You will be directed to a second checkpoint and go through the detector again. Once you are cleared, then you can go directly to class. Now, let's check out how we enter the building from door 1 with the weapons detector system in place. When you arrive at door 1 as a walker or car rider, you will need to line up before entering the building. Please remove your laptop from your book bag. Then make sure your book bag is in front of you. You will hand your laptop to security or the adult on duty before going through the metal detectors. If there isn't a beep when going through the weapons detector, head directly to class. If you do beep while going through the weapons detector, please remember to not panic and to remain calm. You will be directed to a second checkpoint. After you are cleared, then begin heading to class. When your class is in the trailers, you will still need to enter the building from either door 1, as a car rider, or from door 3 like the bus riders. You will exit out of door 2 to access the trailers. Once you exit out of door 2, you will follow the path up the hill and then towards the trailers. You will enter from the back exit where assigned adults will greet you. Please make sure to stay in line or you will need to go through the metal detector process again. Thank you for helping keep Glasgow Middle School safe.